Hello everyone, it's Patty. Happy Friday, and today I'll be sharing with you a detailed flip through of my latest setup, and this is a setup of my Aura Estelle Traveler Notebook. This is a perfect fit Scarlet planner in the A6 size, and the color is Green-Eyed Forest, which is a gorgeous deep green. And I thought it matched perfectly the January kit from the Planner Society. Of course, it also matches pink, but I wanted to do something a little different this time because I'll be using this little planner to keep track of the many critters that I feed in my my garden, and I have a really great love for little critters, garden critters, you know, birds and squirrels, etc. So I like to keep track of how I feed them because I always seem to run out of feed. It's just become my biggest expense of the month, sadly. So looking inside here, first of all, this style of planner, the Scarlet planner, comes with a ton of pockets here in the front, and I wanted to take full advantage of it. So I stuck some of the little stickers from the kit right here. This is one of the little bookmarks that came with it. And then for the pockets here, which are on the smaller size because this is clearly an A6, so it's smaller than my usual B6, I stuffed the beautiful little paper clips that came in here. And then these are the little flag that I just use there, you know, if you want to just flag around things. But to me here, they just have a function of basically decoration. Then I have kind of cut down to size this little washi card, which is on a very thick kind of plastic with the beautiful little flower on top, and I just put some of the washi from the kit and I just stuffed it in there. Then I have some of the little word stickers, and then more of the little sticky note thingies. And this has 3 sections. Now the inserts that I have used are always from Annieplansprintables, and I wanted to use something, you know, Annie always comes out with a matching insert that matches perfectly the January kit. I didn't see one at this time yet, so what I picked instead, I picked the Planner Society Bow Bundle, which is another collab with Christy. And I thought it just went beautifully and kind of inspired me to kind of go back and find this acetate, which came from a previous kit. And I just thought it looked so beautiful. And then this bow, it's a bow that I just made using the bow that was used to wrap around, I think it was the little, you know, weekly planner kind of sticky note pad that it came in this month. And I just cut it down and then stuck it onto the acetate using little sticky dots. And then here's my first insert, and I really want to capitalize on the floral design. Now the first paper I used here for my first dashboard is actually a combination of the vellum over kind of the grid paper. I loved how they go together, also because it kind of mimics the background design here of one of these journaling cards that came in the kit. And I backed the card with the pink paper, which came in the kit. And then I use these cute little eyelets that are from Michaels, and they're like mini buttons. They are adorable. And then I made a little bow using another bow from Michaels. It's actually one of those, you know, you can buy this in their, I don't know what to call, like sewing section, etc. They have these rolls of different ribbons. So this is one of the ribbons. And then on the side, as always, I have used the glitter edgers because I love them. And I used the small ones. I actually ran out of the bigger ones, so I just wanted to use whatever I had. Then the back is the same. This is the back of the paper. And for my first insert, this is, again, it's one of the bundles from the Bow Bundle. So this is a list. I love the pink, kind of picks up the pink there. And then this is just for list making. It's very simple, very pretty. It's got pretty little bows in pink. So I really love it. And the bundle, I think, was $10 for the whole, I think it was more than that, maybe 4 different inserts. And then here in the back of the first dashboard, I used one of the little clear pockets. You can see it from Christy, and I have inserted the cute little what are these called? I can never remember. Like, I swear to you guys, every time I start filming, I forget the names of everything. But anyway, I'm sure it'll come back to me in a second. But I've inserted these in here, and then I've popped one of the die cuts, flower die cuts on 3D dots, and I put a little bow in it. And these are stencils. See, it always works like that. And then this is the back of the acetate with the bows, and I put the word smile, which is in this is from Michael's. They're little, it's made of little pearls, and I've told you about them before, guys. They're terrible to use. They just break apart, but I had a couple left, so I thought they would look cute there. It's kind of subtle. You see it and you don't see it. Now, to transition between the two sections, ideally, I would have preferred to have some sort of fabric or, you know, the cotton doily, but the doilies I have are too big to use in here. And as I always say, I like to transition and I like to change from one kind of texture to another, and because there's two acetates on either end, I would have preferred something soft, even a fabric. If you have some sort of fabric, you know, that will work, but I didn't have it. And so basically I took one of these hard doilies and I doubled it up and I laminated it, and then I folded it just because at least it will create some separation. And then here is another acetate that I had at home, and I used one of these initials from Michael's. And then this, I think, is my favorite, actually, dashboard. It's so simple, but it's just so pretty. It has the sense of very, I don't know, calming effect. I don't know. I love the color scheme. I love the soft pink background with the little white dots. And then this again is the glitter edges from Christy in this matte white. And then this time I backed a little journaling card with a part of the little acetate, so that you can see it's the same design, but this is on acetate. And to make it pop, I actually used the 3D dots so to raise the acetate off the paper so that it will show more. And I've used the same cute adorable eyelets in the shape of little buttons with a little bow from what is it called, Hobby Lobby. And then here is the second insert. It's the same part of the bundle, and this is the daily. So just whenever I want to write down notes, super cute, super simple, goes with everything. And then here is the back of the insert, which is the same paper, same color scheme. I think this is a gorgeous little journaling card. I love that. You know what it says, small steps every day. Just, you know, make little changes every day and it makes a big change in the end. And then here is the acetate in the background. Same thing, basically. Same thing with the background. Oops, piece of the washi. And then here I use the same word, you know, little Pearl Worlds stickers from Michael's that are terrible, and I put it over there. And then here's the back of the laminated doily. Now here is the last section, so it's, as you can say, it's very quick. This is a washi dashboard, which I've not laminated. Again, I'm having problems laminating these washi dashboards recently. So I've used all the washi that came with the kit, apart from the yellow one. I didn't use the yellow one because I was going more for the blue, the greens, and the pink and the white. And I just think it looks super pretty. And this is a little bow, little sticker from Simply Gilded. And then in here, I've had this acetate for a very long time. It's from an older kit, and I just love it. I love this pink swirl. I just love it. And then here I just put a little die cut with the flower. And then here she is. This is the last dashboard. So this is just the paper of the kit as it came, with the same concept with the glitter edges. And then this is actually, the background there is actually one of those little lace pockets that came in the kit. They were in 3 colors, and I really love this pink because it kind of matches, you know, the little vase here. And so I trimmed it down so that it looks a little bit like, you know, kind of a frame. It frames the little card. And then same thing, both from Michael's, eyelets from Michael's as well, and I think it's super pretty. And this is the inside. I love how this matches. And this is another insert from the same bow bundle. And this is the weekly, and it's super cute with the little bows. And in the back, I had to do another washi cards because why not? And this is another one of the washi cards that came, and this is in that, again, thick plastic. It looks like vellum, but it's, you know, definitely very much stronger than vellum, and it's got a little butterfly on top. Put a little bow on it. Then this is the back of the acetate from an older kit with a heart from Michael. Back of the washi dashboard with a different little bow sticker from Simply Gilded. And then in here, I've used one of these inserts that you can buy from Amazon. I just want to be ready to like write down, ideally want to put some receipts in there. I actually have a bigger one that I need to find that fits this perfectly, but I couldn't locate it. So in the meantime, I put little die cuts that came in the kit just because they're cute, and I put also the stamps that fit in there. And then here there's the pen that came with the kit, more stickers, more of the little notes, and this is just a little paper clip that I have from you know, a previous I don't remember where I got this. And again, in the back there's plenty more pockets. As you can tell, there's pockets here. And then this is one of the genius ideas that I always love and always point out about this planner, is that you can basically make this as wide or as small as you like it, because if you use a lot of embellishments like I do, then you can just make it as wide as you want. But this is it, guys. Super quick flip through, and I hope that you will enjoy it. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.